Hello children, today's story is Grandpa Pig's Toy Plane. Please subscribe to my channel. Peppa and George are helping sort through a box of Granny Pig's old toys. "This is the dolly I had when I was little," says Granny Pig. Peppa loves it, but Grandpa Pig isn't very interested. "I can show you something really good," says Grandpa Pig. "Come with me." "We need to go to my shed," says Grandpa Pig. He leads Peppa, George and Granny Pig down the hill into the garden. Peppa brings the dolly with her. Grandpa Pig rummages in his shed and brings out a toy aeroplane. "Airplane," says George. George loves aeroplanes. "Can it fly?" asks Peppa. "Of course it flies," says Grandpa Pig. Grandpa Pig pulls the levers on his remote control and the plane takes off. Vroom! "It's the best little plane ever, Grandpa," cheers Peppa. "But it would be better if it were bigger," says Grandpa Pig thoughtfully. "Look after my dolly, please, Peppa," says Granny Pig. "I'm going inside to get us all some nice fresh juice." While Granny Pig is gone, Grandpa Pig rushes into his shed. He wheels out a much larger toy plane. "I made this bigger and better one," says Grandpa Pig. "Wow!" cries Peppa. "It even has a cockpit for the pilot." "Maybe Dolly would like to be the pilot," says Grandpa Pig. He takes the dolly and pops her into the cockpit. "But Granny said I should look after Dolly," says Peppa. "Dolly will be fine," says Grandpa Pig. The plane zooms up into the sky. "Whoopee!" shouts Grandpa Pig. He presses the remote control and the toy plane begins a loop, the loop in the air. But as the plane turns upside down, Dolly falls out. "Dolly!" cries Peppa. Grandpa Pig keeps pulling the green lever on the remote control. "No need to panic," he says nervously. The plane completes the loop and catches Dolly. "Hooray!" cries Peppa. "Let's try something even more exciting," says Grandpa Pig. Vroom! The toy plane zooms towards the house. The plane flies through the open door. It flies over Granny Pig as she is looking in the fridge. Vroom! "What was that?" asks Granny Pig. But the toy plane is gone before she can spot it. "Quick! Granny is on her way back," says Peppa. Grandpa Pig lands the toy plane on the grass. "Juice for everyone," calls Granny Pig merrily. "Perfect timing," says Grandpa Pig. George and Peppa love toy aeroplanes. Everyone loves toy aeroplanes. The end. I hope you enjoyed this story. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.